Number 1. Cozy Club. Located on the upper floor of the Cathedral Lanes Shopping Center, the Cozy Club's eclectic mix of armchairs, puffs and lampshades will leave you unsure whether you've arrived at a clairvoyance caravan or your nana's front room. Number 2. My Dhaba. Crazy for curry, won't want to pass up on the opportunity of a visit to My Dhaba. Serving traditional Indian and Pakistani dishes, the prices at My Dhaba are really reasonable, and we recommend trying one of the Indian tasting platters, known as thalis. Number 3. Basement Browns. Basement Browns are an award-winning local chain serving some seriously delicious dough. With vegan and gluten-free options, Basement Browns make sure there's pizza for all, and there's also salads, sides and all the sauces you could need. Number 4. Habibi. Habibi is here to bring authentic Arabic flavors to the city of Coventry. Whatever your favorite Middle Eastern dish, you're sure to find it here at Habibi, from hummus, halloumi, and batata hara, through to sujuk, shish taouk, and shawarma, they have it all. Number 5. The Botanist. The Botanist takes pride of place in the middle of the Cathedral Lanes Shopping Center, right behind the Godiva statue. Their menu isn't huge, but the choices are great. There's mains with modern twists, not to mention their famous hanging kebabs. Hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.